Hello, friends. If everything we decide and dream, does it come to our life? No. If all our aspirations come to our way, how our life could be? We can't even imagine. For the last 3 4 months, we all have been burning our midnight oil to prepare for exams. We all had a dream to chase. But now, all of a sudden, most of the state boards, then CBSE, and now recently ICSE also have cancelled the exam for 10th class. Now, we are not sure about 12th class. They have postponed the exams of 12th class to another date. So, we expect that exam will be conducted soon. Majority of the students will enjoy and they will be happy on this. But I know a couple of students, a few students, a minority, they won't enjoy this news. Why? Because they lost a platform to excel their skills. Because the top students, brilliant students, they were chasing a dream, and board exam was actually a stepping stone for them to excel. But now they lost that chance. It was really unfortunate. Now, how we can overcome the situations? Human being has that much sense of possibilities and bundle of potencies to overcome whatever the challenges comes to our way. So don't worry about cancelling the exam, and don't worry about next year, because it is going to be a better year. Always be positive. In this video, I want to give answer for two questions. First of all, many of my students ask, sir, how will be the promotion? Already CBSE has announced that there will be objective criterion. Based on that, there will be some assessments which will be conducted by the schools and will be handed over to the board. Based on that, you will get your result. So you have to wait for that result. Now, second question is that how can I choose the stream? So surely now once you move to 11th class, you can choose your own stream. So before you choose the stream, first of all, I ask every student to find out your skills and interests. These two facts are very important before choosing a stream. Now, you may approach your school and you can choose any stream, and they will be giving based on some aptitude test. But moreover, your skill is important. Most students make this mistake. When their close friends choose some subjects, they also will join with that people because of the friendship. But it will always harm your life. Understand that friendship is something different, your interests are something different. Suppose a student who is afraid of blood wants to become a doctor. What will be the future if he chooses the science subject? There is no use. It will be in vain, right? So what we need to do, before you choose the stream, you should find your skills, your interest, and see that this is very decisive. Later you cannot change it. Okay, so you may be able to do that, but you will lose your time, you will lose your energy, everything. Okay, so before you choose the stream, you should think about it. Your teachers, your parents can guide you, but the decision is yours. Always go for the best. Now, you can contact your school if you want to continue the education in the same school. Suppose if you want to choose another school, then you have to wait until the result comes, because it will take some time. Once you get the mark list and the certificate from the board, it is not issued by the school, it will be issued from the board itself. So you have to take this certificate and TC once you go to another school. But the students, those who prefer or choose the same school, there is no worry. You will be promoted to 11th class and you can request for a stream, and based on your request, the school will conduct an aptitude test. Based on the aptitude test, they will decide your stream. Okay, so this is the formalities as of now. So my dear 10th class students, no need to worry about your future. now you are in safe zone. Don't forget about what you studied. All are actually essential for your coming classes. And now you can go for 11th class. School will start the classes also soon, and you will get the update. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see in another video. Thank you.